buy you a car too, babe. You know money ain't no problem. I'm a baller.
So how many houses do you guys have?
We got a few, but this one's special.
Really? Why?
Cause I'm in it.
So you don't get scared sometimes?
Get scared. I don't need to be scared when I got this.
Wow, can I hold it?
Be careful.
So you're a bad boy, huh?
I see you like gangsters. Well, I'm the realest nigga you ever gonna meet. Come on, I'm gonna make it rain on you.
Yo, give me a freak, I don't give a fuck. Deep through the dick until it down in your gut. She love it when I call her a freak and a slut. And she always swallow anytime I bust a nut. Cat ride it like a horse in a stable. But if you don't suck body, me no able.
Yo, call her.
Told you I'll make it rain.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hello? Hey, Ma. Oh, snap. I forgot about that. Get me my clothes. Yeah. No, I don't need you to drive me home. No, I got a ride. All right. I'm about to leave right now. Okay? Bye.
You about to leave?
Yeah, my mom.
Hold on. Walk you downstairs.
Okay.
Okay. You had fun?
Yeah. So you had fun?
Definitely. I hope I see you again soon.
You'll see me very, very soon.
Get that for you. What the fuck is this? Bitch, you trying to set me up?
Yo, me in there talking and walk.
Yo, shit, what the fuck?
Open the door.
Yo, bitch, you trying to set me up?
You don't have to kill me. You don't have to kill me. You don't have to kill me, yo. Yo,
Go on, forward, y'all, man.
yo, please don't kill me, yo.
Yo, go on.
Yo,
Where you
yo, please don't kill me, yo. Please, that's all the money I have.
$500. I did see a ball with the rest of the money.
That's all the money I have, man.
With the rest of the money there.
That's all the money I have.
Then no negotiation now, yo. Go on your knees.
Man,
Go down on your knees. Kneel down.
my nigga, you don't have to do this shit, my nigga. You already checked, man.
Pussy, where the rest of the money there? Where the rest of the money there?
It's in the closet, in a duffel bag.
Get that. You better make sure it's dead.
My nigga.
You wanna find that?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, let's go.
Post it. Next time, don't be a sucker. Let's go.
Hey, bitch, you dead.
What?
You heard.
You first.
Yo, what the fuck was that? Yo, it's one thing to rob the nigga. You didn't have to shoot him, yo.
It's not your life at risk. He threatened me, so I had to do what I had to do. I'm not taking shit lightly.
Yo, what's wrong with this stupid hobby?
Watch your mouth, clown.
Oh, what? Yo, what now? Yo, this one shut the fuck up. Yo, what you want shit for do, eh? A man trick now. Wait till him come back and do something. Yo, at the right thing you do. Yo, fuck him. If for them would have do the same thing to we. So what? We no business. Yo, we good. Them dead. Fuck the whole of them. Yo, forward.
Bright like a diamond.
swear to God, I go so hard and my just
Shine bright like a diamond.
tree that away that you don't know what's the way. I swear to God, I go so hard and my